So let's try to solve the next question, guys. What does this talk about? It says the number of factors of 3 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 8 into 7 to the power of 2 that are perfect squares. Okay. So if such a question comes, which are perfect square is if I write any particular number n in the form of a to the power of p, b to the power of q, c to the power of r, and so on. What will be a perfect square? N square, the square of that. So that will have a to the power of 2p, b to the power of 2q, c to the power of 2r, and so on. So one thing is for sure that the prime bases, if a, b, and c and so on are the prime bases, then all the prime bases should be having what? All the prime bases should be having an even power. Okay. So if I can see here, the power of 3, what all options do I have? The power of 5, what all options do I have? The power of 7, what all options do I have? Okay. So this is the power of 3. This was about the power of 5. This was about the power of 7. So if you could have understood why did I explain even the basic formula of number of factors in this particular format, you would be able to understand that if any this level kind of a question comes where it is not asking a direct question but a rotated question, I could call it, then you will have this particular fundamental with you. So because the highest power of 3 is 5, so I can have what are the possible values of 3 powers of 3? Okay, I can have 3 to the power of 0, 3 to the power of 2, or 3 to the power of 4. I cannot have any odd power of 3, right? Similarly, 5 to the power of 0, 5 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 4, 5 to the power of 6, and 5 to the power of 8 could have been there. Similarly here, 7 to the power of 0 and 7 to the power of 2 were the only two options which can be there because 7 power is 2 here. So if you are standing here and you want to pick some numbers from here and then move here, choose some numbers from here and then choose some number from here and then finally reach your home, then in how many ways can you do that, right? So that was a question. So in how many ways can I do that? So number of ways of choosing from the powers of 3 were 3 ways, and the number of ways from choosing the power of 5 were 5 ways, and the number of ways of choosing power of 7 will be 2. So the number of factors will become 30. Okay, so the answer will be the number of factors which are a perfect square will be 3 into 5 into 2, that will be 30, and that becomes your answer to this particular question. A good question, but at least a question which could have been solved quite easily and quite quickly for you guys, right? So please note it down.